So if there's ever a time I'm not looking forward to eating bacon, it's right now. Because bacon and microwave don't really go in the same sentence for me, unless it's do not put bacon in the microwave. And it's funny because a few years ago, I got this as a Christmas present. Cook bacon in your microwave. While we were moving, I found it. I've never even opened it. I've never wanted to cook bacon in the microwave, but I'm gonna try it in the microwave. It says crispy bacon right from your microwave. Tempered glass lid flattens bacon for even cooking. This is one of those just found on TV things. It also actually says makes perfectly cooked bacon in your oven. I'm not gonna try that with this because I don't see the point in this little tiny pan making 5 or 6 pieces of bacon in the oven when I can just make a whole pan in the oven. But the pressure lid seals in juices, traps and recirculates heat, while it harnesses all the natural flavors for better tasting bacon. It says load it, crank it, and cook it. So I'm gonna get this out and read the directions and then try to cook some bacon in the microwave and see if it's even worth eating. All right, so first we have this piece and we lay the bacon across it up and down the way it's shown here. So we lay the bacon across it. Then we have this glass that we put on top. It had a warning label I can't quite get off. We put this on top and you actually screw the lid into the hole in the middle so that it pushes down on the bacon. And then the time is based on an 1100 watt microwave and I have no idea the wattage of mine, but it says 1 minute of cooking time for each strip of bacon you're cooking. If it's not fully cooked, microwave within 30-second intervals until it's done to your liking. Let's get some bacon put on this thing. Let's do like 6 pieces of bacon. Let's see if we can fit 6. The pictures, it looks like they're doing around 6 in some of these pictures. They actually have pictures here of other stuff telling you how to clean it, telling you how to cook it in the oven, how to remove the grease. They got twisty bacon here, so bacon strips that are twisted, bacon pockets. Then apparently they got some instructional videos and recipes with the bacon. But I'm just gonna get this put on here, just regular straight up bacon first. That's all I'm trying. Actually, looking at this bacon pockets looks like it might be pretty cool because if the bacon's good in the microwave, because what you do here is you make a pocket with bacon. So you lay your bacon down, you put filling in it and then put bacon on top of it or fold your bacon over it or whatever. So there's like filling in the bacon and this lid presses on it, holding it down together while it cooks. So that might be interesting to try. I don't know if I'm gonna try it right now because I don't even know what to put in it yet. So I'm gonna make some just bacon right now. So I don't know if this is gonna work. I put it in my microwave, but my microwave's too small. It says make sure it can spin. My microwave in my apartment is not big enough for this to spin. So if this doesn't work out, then I'll try it again when I get home with a bigger microwave. Also, this is a 700 watt oven, not an 1100 watt, or a 700 watt microwave, not 1100. So I may have just wasted time trying to fix bacon in this at my apartment with my tiny, weak microwave. We'll see. So without mine turning, because this was too big, my little 700 watt microwave, this took more like 14 minutes for 6 pieces of bacon. It looks done. I want to see if it's good this way. If not, we're still going to take it home and try it anyway. I was expecting very chewy bacon. There's actually some crunch in it. This thing might be useful. I'm gonna get this home, put it in a real microwave and see if it'll fix me 6 pieces of bacon in 6 minutes. Yeah, this is much better than I was expecting. If you could hear that crunch there. Good stuff. I mean, it's bacon, it's hard to really be bad, but worked pretty good for my little piece of junk microwave. All right, now I got a bigger microwave, and I got 5 pieces of bacon there, because that's what fits comfortably in that thing, I think. And I got it in for 5 minutes. We're gonna try it. So for these 5 pieces, I think 2 of them may have been done in the 5 minutes, but the other side they weren't, and I put it in for another minute. So 6 minutes. 4 of these are definitely done. Depending on how done you like your bacon, this may or may not be done for you. This is definitely not crispy bacon, but it looks like 4 pieces are probably done pretty good. Crunchy bacon. That's what we're going for in, like, what I say, 6 minutes. So kind of impressive that this thing works in the microwave, because I hate microwave bacon usually. Even this undercooked piece, the piece that looks undercooked, is still fairly crispy for such a short time in the microwave. So I would say if you spend a lot of time making four or 5 pieces of bacon at a time, this thing is pretty cool. It won't hold the amount that I usually make at a time, because it's very rare that we make 4 or 5 pieces of bacon at once, because usually everybody wants bacon when we're fixing bacon. So I just took a few pieces to the girls, Sadie, Sailor, and Jennifer, and they all liked it. And I think they're gonna enjoy it. When Sadie wants bacon and maybe nobody else does, she can fix 4 slices of bacon in like 4 or 5 minutes, which is kind of nice, I guess. Especially since it actually comes out crispy, which is weird for a microwave. But pretty good it works pretty good if you plan on fixing a lot of little bits of bacon at a time.